This is Beurer's first ever glucometer that is made in India, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, in this glucometer, we have this glucose level, or we can say the target level indicator. Then we have this right button, we have this left button. At the back side here we have the battery compartment. We have one battery that is included in the delivery. We have to insert this battery at the back side. Once we have inserted the battery, this will appear as this is the year that you want to set. So from here you can change the year using the left button and confirm it using the right button. After that, here they will ask you the date, so you can change through left button and set it through right button. So change through left button and set through right button. Now, after you have selected all the data including time and date and year, then it will ask you to set the high limit. So here the high limit is different for each user. Okay, depends on each user's high limit, what high limit glucose level he or she has. 140 is the preset value for the high limit. So after and till 180 it is there. So whatever is the high limit of the particular user, he or she can set accordingly. So I can set it. I have set it at 150 for now, and then for selection I'll click it at right button. Okay. Now this indicator means that the device is ready to take in the strip. So for that we have to remove, or we have to take out a strip from the box that we have, and we have to insert the strip like this. Now you can see below this indicator a blood drop is being shown here. So this blood drop means that now you have to put blood onto this strip. Now this is the lancing device. So how do we insert this lancet into this? So for that you have to remove the cap like this. So I have removed the cap. Here you can see the holder. So you have to insert this lancet into this holder. Okay, but before that you have to remove this cap which is over it. So you will remove it like this, then you will insert it inside this. Now you will keep the cap as it was before. Okay, so now here you can see the marks. So these marks represent the penetration basically. So it depends on the user that what kind of skin he or she has. So depending on the skin, he or she can set the penetration level. So for suppose this is the 9th stage, this is the 8th, this is the 7th, 6, 5, 4. So whatever the type of skin is. So now I have to load this. Now after clicking on this button, I have to keep the angle like this, and after clicking on this button, blood will be pricked out. Before pricking up the blood, you need to make sure that your hands are clean and dry. Now select the before meal and after meal reading by clicking on this left button. So right now I have selected this after meal, and then I'll confirm it with the right button. So this is my glucose level reading. This device has an automatic switch off function that is for 90 seconds. So after 90 seconds this device will automatically get switched off. It has a memory set of 880 test results, and to view that you have to click on this right button for 3 seconds like this. Now after the display of this symbol, you have to click on this right button again to see the individual results with time and date. So clicking on this right button again and again, you can view the individual results, that too with time and date. And using the Beurer Health Manager scan and save option, you can transfer the values into your mobile and keep a or maintain a data. This device also has an option to view the average values for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days and 90 days. And to view that, you have to click on this right button again for 3 seconds, and after this symbol click on the left button now, like this. So you can see here it will show you the average of the 30, 14, 90, 7 days, like here.